We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
If you say 池上, someone is bound to say mi or rice. It's Taiwan's most famous rice and comes from the rich, fertile, misty green land in the south of Taidong. The township is called Chishang, meaning on the pond. 10 Hakka brothers from Yangmei immigrated to a hamlet southeast of Chishang town. With them, the school and surrounding area flourished with a brick kiln and rice fields. The area is also famous for being at the junction of the geographical plates that shift and cause earthquakes. Welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. My name is Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
你好, Alice.
Hi.
And last time we already went to eat some hot pot and it was really good. Today I am very full. 今天已经很饱了。但是呢，其实我们吃东西喜欢吃它的味道嘛，对不对
？Mito.
Mito. Okay, that's the taste, right? And there's so many different types of tastes out there. There are 4 major tastes. 有4个很重要的这个味觉嘛，酸甜苦辣。我想说教一教，然后顺便教一些东西，可能也很酸、很苦、很辣、很甜的东西。
好啊，
把它
酸嘅
凑在一
東西
起。
有檸檬。
Lemon 哦
Hey.
Lemon, right?
Hey.
I can guess that one.
2個檸檬凍酸。
2個檸檬凍酸是說這個檸檬好酸。
2個檸檬凍酸。
This lemon is very sour, 酸。All right.
甜嘅話像糖嘅。
很多東西都甜的啊，糖果嘛，對不對？
糖嘅。
糖誒 that's candy. All right.
2個糖嘅凍甜。
2個糖誒
凍甜。
凍甜 Okay, so that's a very sweet candy.
苦就是我們比方說吃藥很苦，對不對？
對，大家都不喜歡吃苦的東西啊。
2個肉嘅凍腐。
2個肉誒
凍腐。2個肉凍腐。
肉誒 is medicine, okay? It's very bitter.
辣椒嘅凍
辣椒誒你是個小辣椒啊。
辣椒嘅
辣椒對不對？
對
That means pepper is very spicy.
2個辣椒嘅凍辣。
2個辣椒誒凍辣。
2個辣椒嘅凍辣。
There you go. So that's 酸甜苦辣. That's sour, sweet, bitter, and spicy.
酸甜苦辣。
酸甜苦辣. Very good. I'm getting hungry again. That's it for our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph.
是冇太家按字寫張來了。
按字寫張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.